Yes, Sansa. Right, now sit down. Sit down. Sansa, sit down. Now, did you eat your breakfast this morning?
Yeah.
Sansa? Sansa? Sansa! Come here. Sit. Did you eat your breakfast? No, you didn't, did you? And now what are you asking me for? What are you asking me for now? Hey? You know, you want this, don't you? But you didn't eat your breakfast, did you? Hey? No, you didn't. You didn't eat your breakfast. But what's this? The pizza? Do you want it? Yeah. What makes you think I'm going to give you pizza when you didn't eat your own breakfast? Huh? Hey? Hey? Sansa. Sansa. Oh. Want the pizza? Pizza? Yeah. Paw. Good girl. So thank you.